A well-organized, functional home does not have to cost a fortune. Sometimes a few thoughtful additions are all it takes to make everyday living smoother and more comfortable. In this video, we're rounding up 22 Amazon finds that help you save space, stay organized, and furnish smartly on a budget. From clever storage solutions to versatile furniture built for smaller spaces, there is something here for nearly every room. All links are available in the description below. Most coffee tables sit too low to work from the sofa comfortably. This lift-top coffee table raises its surface up to a comfortable working height with one smooth push. The top lifts quietly and locks in place, so a laptop or meal sits at just the right level. A large hidden compartment underneath keeps remotes, tablets, and chargers out of sight but within reach. The side drawer holds magazines and game controllers, with a shelf inside that comes out when not needed. It comes in a wood grain finish and fits mid-century or modern rooms in cherry or espresso. The solid lift mechanism is safe for kids to use and keeps the living room tidy every day. Listed at $69.99. Small spaces make it hard to keep things close without cluttering the room. This narrow 3-drawer end table fits tight spots and keeps everyday items off the floor. 3 pull-out drawers slide open smoothly, hiding books, remotes, and small items inside. The walnut wood finish looks at home next to a bed, sofa, or armchair. It works just as well in a living room as it does on a bedroom nightstand. The top surface is just under 12 inches wide and holds a lamp or decor without crowding. It arrives fully put together, so there is nothing to build before using it. Listed at $179.99. Most cutting boards let liquid run straight off the edge and onto the counter. This bamboo board catches drips in a carved channel and flips over to serve as a tray. The layers of bamboo run in opposite directions, so the board stays flat and never warps. Bamboo is less porous than wood, so odors and bacteria have fewer places to hide. The handles on each side make it easy to carry chopped food straight to the pan. The board measures 12 by 8 inches, roomy enough for a whole chicken or a large loaf. It doubles as a charcuterie tray for hosting, making it useful well beyond everyday cooking. Listed at $32.95. Laundry piles up fast, and one overflowing basket makes wash day a mess. This woven hamper splits into 3 sections so lights, darks, and delicates stay sorted from the start. The lid keeps dirty clothes out of sight and traps odors inside between wash days. Removable liner bags lift straight out, so carrying clothes to the washer takes one trip. Wheels on the bottom mean the whole hamper rolls from bedroom to laundry room without lifting. It holds up to 130 liters of clothing and comes with 5 mesh bags for delicates. The woven gray finish blends into any room, and assembly takes just a few minutes. Listed at $67.99. Small apartments barely have room for a proper dining table. This folding table tucks almost flat against the wall when not in use, then opens up for a full meal. The 2 side leaves fold up or down in seconds, changing the table size to fit the moment. Wheels on the bottom let anyone roll it wherever it is needed, then lock it in place. The 2 shelves underneath hold kitchen items, cutting down on counter clutter. Fully closed it is about 9 inches deep, fully open it seats 6 comfortably. Easy to wipe clean, simple to put together, and ready to move anytime. Listed at $389. Reaching across the couch for a drink or a laptop means awkward stretching and spills. This C-shaped side table slides right under the couch or bed, so everything stays within easy reach. The base curves under furniture legs so the tabletop sits right in front without blocking the seat. The height adjusts from waist level up to desk height using a simple side knob, no tools needed. 2 small wheels make it easy to roll from bedroom to living room and lock in place when needed. 2 built-in shelves hold books, remotes, snacks, or a water bottle, all off the floor. The surface wipes clean easily, and the whole table goes together quickly with numbered parts and clear instructions. Listed at $75.99. Running the dryer all the time costs real money and makes the house hot. This large folding rack lets clothes air dry indoors or outside without any machine. 6 locking hinges keep the frame locked steady so nothing tips or wobbles while loaded. It holds up to 130 pounds, sheets, blankets, and a full load at once. 3 retractable center rods spread wide for big items like comforters or carpets. 20 windproof hooks clip onto the frame to stop clothes blowing off on windy days. The whole rack folds flat like a broom for storage, no tools, no assembly needed. Listed at $69.99. Small living rooms rarely have space for both a sofa and a guest bed. This L-shaped sectional sofa pulls open into a full sleeper bed in seconds. The soft chenille fabric feels gentle against skin and holds up without pilling. The chaise section flips to either side, so the layout fits any room. When guests leave, hidden storage underneath holds blankets and pillows out of sight. The sofa stretches 85 inches across and holds up to 1,000 pounds. Built-in USB and USB-C ports keep phones charged right from the armrest. Listed at $69.99. Small bathrooms run out of counter space fast, and those narrow gaps go to waste. This slim rolling cart slides right into those tight spots and adds 4 shelves of storage. At just over 7 inches wide, it fits beside a toilet, washer, or kitchen counter without a squeeze. For wheels, let the whole cart roll out in seconds, no lifting, no dragging. 8 side hooks hold loofahs, brushes, ladles, or towels right where they are needed. The 4 shelves hold a solid 22 pounds each, and the cart comes in black to match any room. It works just as well in the kitchen or laundry room as it does in the bathroom. Listed at $29.99. Finding anything in a messy drawer takes way too long every morning. This clear organizer splits the drawer into separate sections so everything has its own spot. The whole tray slides out smoothly, so nothing gets buried in the back. The lid keeps dust and moisture off intimate clothing sitting in the closet. The dividers come out completely, making wider slots that hold bras flat without bending them. 24 cells fit socks, underwear, ties, scarves, and even small baby clothes. Multiple trays stack on top of each other to double the storage without taking extra space. Listed at $27.99. Kitchen prep tools multiply fast and never seem to fit back in the drawer. This 8-piece set stacks all inside each other: bowls, measuring cups, a colander, and a sifter. All 8 pieces nest inside one another, so the whole set takes up the space of a single bowl. The large bowl has a grip ring on the bottom, so it stays put while mixing. The smaller bowl has measurements marked inside, so it doubles as a measuring cup. The set includes 2 mixing bowls for measuring cups, a colander, and a sifter, all in pink. Everything except the sifter goes in the top rack of the dishwasher for fast, easy cleanup. Listed at $45.99. Wet counters and nowhere to put clean dishes slow down every kitchen cleanup. This collapsible dish rack holds plates, glasses, and utensils while a tray catches all the dripping water. The rack folds flat when not in use, tucking away under the sink without taking up space. The water tray underneath collects drips, so the counter stays dry the whole time. It works just as well in a camper or RV as it does in a home kitchen. It measures about 14 by 12 inches and folds down to just over 2 inches flat. Baby stuff piles up, and there is never a clear spot to put it all. This over-the-door organizer hangs on any door and holds everything in one place. Metal hooks with protective tips grip the door top, and 5 deep shelf pockets hold bulky items. The side mesh pockets are see-through, so finding the right item takes one glance. It works just as well in a bathroom, laundry room, or dorm to clear off the counter. 5 large shelf pockets plus 10 see-through side pockets hold up to 44 pounds total. No drilling, no tools, just hang it on the door and start loading it up. Listed at $16.99. Narrow gaps between appliances collect clutter because nothing fits there. This slim rolling cart slides right into those tight spaces and turns them into real storage. The open mesh shelves let air through so toiletries and supplies stay dry. It rolls out on 4 spinning wheels, so grabbing what is needed takes one quick pull. It works in the kitchen as a spice rack or next to the washer for detergent. 3 shelves, stands about 26 inches tall, fits a gap as narrow as 5 inches wide. No tools needed, the whole thing snaps together in under 10 minutes. listed at $20.99. Carrying heavy loads by hand is hard on the body and takes forever. This folding hand truck rolls up to 500 pounds on 6 tough wheels, so heavy loads move easily. 2 fixed front wheels and 4 that spin keep the cart steady and rolling quiet. It folds completely flat, weighing just 6.5 pounds, so it stows anywhere. 2 elastic rope strap boxes and bags down tight so nothing shifts mid-move. The platform adjusts to fit different load sizes, and the cart folds flat when done. A solid helper for home moves, travel, office runs, or warehouse hauls, 1 compact cart. Listed at $39.99. No dryer in the apartment means wet clothes sit for hours. This compact electric dryer fits anywhere and dries 4 to 6 light items at a time. Load clothes into the bag, press a button, and warm air does the work. A remote lets control happen from across the room, no crouching down to adjust it. Built-in UV light kills odor-causing bacteria while clothes dry, leaving them fresher. The whole unit folds flat and fits in a bag, perfect for travel, RVs, or small apartments. A foldable dryer that fits any small space and handles everyday laundry without a full machine. Listed at $32.99. Most fold-out chairs leave adults sleeping with bent knees and no room to stretch. This chair converts into a full flatbed that is 7 feet long, fitting most adults comfortably. The back adjusts to 6 different angles, from upright chair to completely flat bed. At 84 inches long, taller people can fully stretch out with no curling up required. 2 large side pockets hold a phone or remote, and extra storage sits in the base. The metal frame holds up to 500 pounds and comes in modern green. Assembly comes with step-by-step instructions and a video guide, so setup is straightforward. Listed at $239.90. Carrying groceries, gear, or garden supplies by hand is exhausting. This foldable wagon rolls everything in one trip and collapses flat when done. The steel frame and tough fabric hold up to 360 pounds without bending. The back gate drops down to open up extra space for longer or bulkier items. The front wheels swivel and lock, so the cart stays put on slopes and uneven ground. At 90 liters of storage with 2 built-in cup holders, it handles big hauls comfortably. At under 12 pounds, it folds into a car trunk in seconds. Listed at $39.99. Moving heavy loads by hand wears out a back fast. This foldable push cart rolls up to 330 pounds, so nobody has to strain. For swivel wheels steer through tight corners and uneven ground without getting stuck. The steel frame holds up to 330 pounds and does not flex under pressure. The platform folds flat in about 3 seconds and fits in a car trunk or closet. The rolling surface is roughly 29 inches long, 19 inches wide, with a 33-inch handle. This cart handles groceries, boxes, luggage, and tools around the house or job site. Listed at $79.99. Small bedrooms run out of storage fast. This queen bed frame lifts up to reveal a huge hidden space underneath for luggage, blankets, and more. A gas lift system raises the mattress smoothly with one hand and holds it open while loading. All that floor space stays clear because everything tucks away inside the bed itself. The headboard adds open shelves and a built-in charging station right where it is needed most. Queen size, black finish, holds up to 1,000 pounds, and no box spring needed. 2 people can put it together in about an hour with no extra parts to buy. Listed at $133.99. Tangled cords taking over the desk are a daily headache. This bamboo box hides a full power strip and all its cords out of sight. Wide round openings on each side let cords pass through without pinching or bending. The lid flips on magnetically and doubles as a tray for a phone or small items. It keeps kids and pets away from live power strips without locking anything away. The inside measures 13 inches long, just over 5 inches wide, and 5.5 inches tall. No tools, no assembly, open the box, drop the power strip in, and the desk is clean. Listed at $30.99. Wide shelves look tidy for about 5 minutes before everything slides together. These clear acrylic dividers clip onto the shelf and keep each stack standing on its own. Slide the clip onto the shelf edge, no tools, no screws, done in seconds. The clear material disappears into any closet, so the shelf still looks clean and open. They work just as well in the kitchen, bathroom, or office for papers and folders. Each pack comes with 6 dividers plus 6 non-slip mats, fitting shelves just under an inch thick. 6 dividers means 6 separate sections. Sweaters, towels, and linens all stay exactly where they belong. Listed at $16.96.